Hello viewers, welcome to Grade 6 Math. And today we'll be looking at finding percentages of a number. Let me admit my student to the class as we get started. Your name must be Ayomide, right?
Yeah,
You're welcome. My name is Ajibola and I'll be your math teacher for now. Is that clear?
yeah.
Okay, good. Um, Today I want us to work on a topic called finding percentage of a number. Is that clear? Yeah,
Almost.
unmute yourself so that I can hear you live and direct. Now, I want us to work on finding percentage of a number. When you has to find the percentage of a particular number, what are they saying? They're giving you a certain amount, portion of the number to find the percentage. I got to look at example now. For example, if I ask you to find 50% of 500, I'm simply saying find half of 500, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So if I say find 50% of 500, let's pick that one, 50% of 500. That simply means half of 500. So it means what? Half of what? 500.
Okay.
And what is half of 500?
250.
250. So how can I work it out and get the 250? That is the question. Do you know how to work it out to get the 250?
No,
Okay, what you're going to do is very simple. Whenever you see percentage, it means over 100. It means over what?
over 100.
Then times the 500 that you're given. Then you can just quickly, cancel it out and say two zeros cancel two zeros. Then you have one at the bottom, which doesn't make any difference. So 50 times 5 is what? 250. So you can see we are able to work out our guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's go to the basic examples that we have for today. Wait a minute, don't do that. So, to the basic examples that we have for today, we want to look at all of these questions. I will solve some of them with you while I will allow you to solve the remaining ones, okay?
Okay.
Now, number one. For number one, it says 20% of 60. 20% of 60. I said 50% means half, yes or no?
Yeah.
So that means 50% of 60 should have been 30. So 20% will be way smaller than 30. Okay?
Okay.
If it's 50% of 60, that'll be half of 60, which is 30, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm finding 20% of 60, I must not get anything near 30 because 20 is less than 50. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use the same formula again. I'll say 20 over 100 times 60. I have two zeros at the top. One, two can cancel two zeros at the bottom. So what's the answer? Two times what? Six.
6.
And that's what?
12.
12.
Which, yeah.
Is that clear? So that means 12 is 20% of 60. Or let's say 20% of 60 is 12. Is that clear?
Yes.
Number two, it says 30% of 90. 30% of what? 90.
No.
And that means 30 over what? 100 times what? 90. So there are two zeros at the top also. Cancel two zeros at the bottom. So what do you think the answer should be? 3 times 9.
27.
27. Okay. Number 3. We have 15% of 60. 15% of what? 60.
6.
So that means 15 over 100 times 60. This time around, there are no two zeros to cancel two zeros. So we have to look for something else to cancel themselves out, okay?
Okay.
One zero can cancel one zero. There is 10 at the bottom, so I have 15 times 6 over 10. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 times 6 over 10. So I will look for a number. What number can divide maybe 15 and 10? That's 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 5 here, 3, and 5 here, 2. So I'll still look for what number can still divide themselves. What number can divide 2 and 6? That's 2. to year 1, and to year 3. So I have only 1 at the bottom, which doesn't change anything. But I have 3 and 3 at the top, which is 3 times 3, and it gives us what?
9.
That means 15% of 60 is what? 15% of 60 is what?
9.
9. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's look at more examples before I give you the ones that you're going to try. Number 4, we have 40% of 30. 40% of what? 30.
30.
Now, 50% of 30 should be 15, right?
Yeah.
That should be half of 30. Half of 30 is 15. Is that correct? So that
Yeah.
means what I'm going to get is less than 15 because this is 40%. Okay? So I'm going to
Yes.
say 40. I'm just telling you that so that whenever you get an answer, you can tell whether it's reasonable or not. Okay? So 40 over 100 times 30. There are two zeros at the top, right?
Yeah.
So they cancel out. Then you have 4 times 3. That's what? 12.
12.
And that is less than 15, which I said should be 50% of this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, what's okay? Number 5. Let me copy this part to the bottom, and you're just gonna look at all of them. Then I'll give you some time to put them down. I will now ask you to do the remaining part as your classwork. Okay. So number 5, we have 24% of 50. If it's 25% of 50, that'll be 1/4 of 50. If it's 50% of 50, that'll be half. But this is 24%, so 24 over 100 times 50, we can cut 1 0. 1 0 cancel 1 0, so you have 24 times 5 over 10. Then there are numbers that can divide themselves, like 5 and 10 can divide. So 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2. What numbers can divide again? 2 can divide 24. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 12. So what's the answer?
12.
Because it's 12 times 1, right?
Yeah.
Good. Number 6, we have 10% of 100. 10 percent of 100. So we have 10 over 100 times 100. So we have two zeros canceling two zeros. So it's only one that remains. So what's the answer?
10.
10. So if a student attempt an exam and score 10 out of 100, that means it's 10%. Okay.
Okay.
Number 7, we have 50% of 50. Now you should know what the answer to this one is. What is 50% of 50? Without
50.
calculating. Yeah, what do you call it?
50.
50, 50% of 50. Half of 50. What is half of 50?
Oh. 25.
25. So that's the answer. So let's work it out. We have 50 over 100 times 50. So we can use 50 to divide 100. 50 here 1, 50 here 2. So what we have left is 50 over 2, right? Which is 25. Is that clear? Is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Number 8, we have to find 10% of 60. 10% of 60. It simply means you divide 60 into 10 places and pick one portion, and that is 6. Okay, let's do it. 10 over 100 times 60. So two zeros are going to cancel two zeros at the bottom. So we have two zeros, canceling two zeros. So what's the answer?
6.
You can see finding percentage is very easy, right?
Yeah.
Number 9, 77%, okay, let me put percent. 77% of 100. That is 77 out of 100, and that is still 77. So we have 77 over 100 times 100, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
We got two zeros, canceling two zeros. What's the answer?
77.
Good. And the last one, but not the least. So 45% of 60. Yeah, 50% of 60 is 30. So we're looking for 45%. So something a little bit less than 30. So let's say 45 over 100 times 60. Then we got a zero canceling a zero. Then we have 45 times 6 divided by 10. Then we can cancel. You know, why am I canceling out? I don't want to say 45 times 6. I don't want to do that, okay?
Okay.
In as much as I can use something to divide them out, then it will make it simpler for me. That is called simplifying, okay?
Okay.
So how many 5 goes in 10? 2. How many 5 goes in 45? 9. So I still have something that can divide himself, which is the 2 and the 6. 2 can divide 2, 1. 2 can divide 6, 3. So what's the final answer?
27.
Yeah, I'm going to give you some time to put down the solution to question 1 to 10. Then I'm going to give you the rest to try as your classwork, okay?
Okay.
So you can start writing now. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Goodbye for now. So what do you get for number 1, please? I mean number 11.
11. 14.
You got 14, okay. What do you get for number 12?
11.
11. Number 13,
36.
36. Number 14,
24.
24. Number 15,
20.
20. Number 16,
50.
okay, hold on. I think I got the message now. Though there's no time, but I will see how we can quickly rush over it, okay? 16, what do you get?
50.
50 or 15?
15.
15, okay. Number 17,
10.
10. Number 18,
Oh, I skipped that one.
okay, skip that to number 19,
22.
and number 20,
48.
48. So let's quickly look at everything one by one. So for this first one, we have 35. Okay, wait, let me just write it here quickly. Number one, 35 over 100 times 40. So 0 cancel 0. 2 here, I mean 5 here, 2. And 5 here, 5. 2 here, 1. 2 here, wait. 5 here, 7 rather. Okay. So 5 here, 2. 5 up 7. Then 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. So you're correct. Okay.
Okay.
Number, this one, 55 over 100 times 20. So this is going to be 20 a 1, 20 a 5, 55 divided by 5, that's 11. Then number 3, 40 over 100 times 90. Two zeros cancel two zeros, so you get 4 times 9, that's 36, that's correct. Number 4, we have 30 over 100 times 80. So we have two zeros cancel two zero, 8 times 3, that's 24. Get that one correct. Number 5, we have 25 over 100 times 20. So 20 here, 120 here is 5, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. 25 over 100 times 20, right? So 20 here,
Yeah.
120 here, 5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 5. So it's going to be 5, not 15, okay?
Okay.
Then number 6, we have 80, no, not 80. Wait, I think that's not the one I'm supposed to mark. 14, number 14, yeah, is 30 over 100. Number 15 is 40 over 100. Okay, let me quickly do that now, okay?
Okay.
So 40 over 100 times 50. So we get two zeros. So 4 times 5 is 20. So you got that too. Then number 16 which is number 6. We have 25 over 100 times what? 20.
20.
So 20 here, 1, 20 here, 5. 5 in 25, that's 5. So the answer is supposed to be 5. Then number 17 or number 7, which is 20 over 100 times 50. So we get two zeros, cancel two zeros, then we have 10. So you got that one. Number 18, we have 80 over 100 times what? 95. So you can say 5 here 19, okay? And 5 here 20. So 0 cancel 0. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So what is 4 times 19? That is 76, okay? Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. So let's see, number 19, we have 55 over 100 times 40. So 10 here, then 5 here 2, 5 here 11, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, then we got 22. That's correct. And the last one, but not the least, because as we're rounding up now, so we have 12 over 100 times 400. Two zeros cancel two zeros. So 12 times 4 is 48. So you got 9 over 10. Or you got 8 over 10, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what we're rounding up for today, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to meet on Thursday by the grace of God, but later on we're going to work on the time of that Thursday. Exactly.
Yes.
So, Ayamide, did you enjoy today's class?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. So we're going to meet on Thursday by the grace of God. So goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So thank you viewers for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future video. And we're going to see some other time. Goodbye for now. Goodbye. Bye.